preparing for English UGC NET for December 2025 session, here are 6 must books you must read as a beginner. If you are really new to the English literature history, then go for this book. This will make your base in English literature. This is enough. This is W.J. Long's English history, and you have read it. First, you read it completely, then go for another history book, which is also called the Bible in English literature. Like, questions directly come from this book, Routledge 1. Complete it. Like, I have done the whole book. You can see here. I have marked it, highlighted it. Like, line by line, you have to go through this book 3 to 4 times. And for theory, as a beginner, you must go for P.K. Nair first, because it is easily readable and you understand the content in it. And after P.K. Nair, you go for Peter Barry. This is also a very, very good book in English literature. You must consider it. And for history, N.K. Nayak, Indian history, N.K. Nayak, and you can also prefer A.K. Malhotra's, Arvind Krishna Malhotra's contemporary Indian English literature history. And the fifth one, a glossary of literary terms. It's a very good book for literary terms. You should complete it before you UGC NET examination. And the final tip, like, if you want any book for paper 1 also, here is it. Like, some people say that question doesn't come from here. Like, KVS Madan is the must go book for UGC NET paper 1. If you want to make base of paper 1 English literature, KVS Madan is the best. Now again, I repeat it. If you missed anyone, I will write it in the description box. First of all, W.J. Long, completed for making base of English literature history. After that, Routledge. Like, you have to go line by line of this book, because questions directly came from between of the book. You can see I have marked the whole book, colored it with different color of highlighters. Please go through it. Literary theory. This is very easy to read. P.K. Nair. Always prefer P.K. Nair. If you want to deep understanding, Peter Barry. And for literary terms, as I said, N.H. Abrahams. And for paper 1, KVS Madan. As you can, or you want anything else, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will definitely post other videos on me. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you want more videos for UGC NET English literature. Thank you.